So we are doing cystic fibrosis, a very, very important topic. So without wasting time, let's get started. So what happens here in cystic fibrosis? C for cystic, C for chloride channels. Chloride channels में डिफेक्ट हो जाता है जिसकी वजह से वाटर और सोडियम का रीअब्सॉर्प्शन ज्यादा होने लगता है. दैट विल कॉज थिक म्यूकस. ओके, जिसकी वजह से थिक म्यूकस लॉज होना चालू हो जाता है. म्यूकोसेलुलर क्लियरेंस ऑफ थिक म्यूकस डज नॉट हैपन वेरी नाइसली. ठीक है, तो लॉज होना चालू हो जाएगा म्यूकस. दैट विल कॉज बेसिकली कॉज इन्फेक्शन इन द बॉडी ऑफ द patient. That will cause chronic infection, lung infection, meconium ileus, and growth developmental delay और ये सारे सिम्टम्स देखने को मिलेंगे. पैनक्रियाटाइटिस देखने को मिलेगा. सो दिस ब्रोंकियोप्टिसिस देखने को मिलेगा. ठीक है, these are the conditions that happen in this type of patients because of the chloride channel problems. Okay, so what is this condition? Basically, this is autosomal recessive condition, and the mutation here is CTFR gene, and chloride channels may defect, autosomal recessive, chromosome number 7. Okay, most common mutation is delta F508 deletion of phenylalanine. Okay, 508 deletion of phenylalanine. This is, I think, a position at which phenylalanine deletion happens. Okay, so if the patient has this, so what will he present with? He must be having chronic infection, mostly lung infection, that is cough. ओके, साइनोसाइटिस वगैरह की प्रॉब्लम रहेगी बेबी को. एज आई हैव पुट अ बेबी इन द थंबनेल, दैट इज एआई जनरेटेड. नाउ let's talk about the test in which are performed in cystic fibrosis. The first is a sweat test. Okay, so what is the cutoff of sweat test? कितना ज़्यादा होना चाहिए सोडियम? That is 60 मिली इक्विवेलेंट. ठीक है, सोडियम इतना ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, more than 60 मिली इक्विवेलेंट at 2 different occasion. Very very important. एक occasion पे किया तो हम confirm नहीं करेंगे. Second is the gene testing. Okay, जैसे CTFR gene, and second is raised immunoreactive trypsinogen. ठीक है, this is something new. Raised immunoreactive trypsinogen. You have to mug it up. Then we have sweat test. Then the gold standard. The gold standard test is nasal pH diffusion test. Okay, and and also two mutation. Any one of these is present, we can confirm that the patient is of cystic fibrosis. Okay, sweat test, nasal pH diffusion test, that's as a gold standard. Two mutation in the CFTR gene. Okay, now the most common pathogen in the CF patient with chronic lung disease is Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Okay, Pseudomonas aeruginosa is the most common pathogen in the lung patient of this, the chronic lung infection. Two organisms are responsible that are most common, Staph aureus and Pseudomonas. Okay, and most common in the lung infection is Pseudomonas. Then we have this drug of choice for Pseudomonas infection in this kind of patient is inhale tobramycin. Very very important, inhale tobramycin. Okay, and also this line is important, ऐसे ही रट लो मेरे साथ. That is azoospermia due to absent vas deferens is seen in male patients of cystic fibrosis. Okay, that is azoospermia due to absent vas deferens seen in this cystic fibrosis patient. Thank you so much for listening to me. Okay, bye bye.